What's up guys, we're going to do a super quick unboxing for the brand new Saramonic BlinkMe B2 microphone set, which they've just released. Super interesting pack. It has 2 transmitters and 1 receiver and a magnetic clip. But there's a really cool trick to this new microphone, and I think it's quite obvious from the box what is interesting about this, but let's just jump straight in and take a look. So we have an instruction manual in here, instruction manual, quick start guide, some Saramonic stickers, a warranty card, and a quality certificate. Yeah, it looks pretty straightforward. Let's close that up. So this is really nice. It's a really solid carry case with a little leather strap. It's a hard case as well. It says Saramonic printed on there. Oh, it's padded as well, so extra safe. So in here, you've got the different clip mounts. So there's 2, one for each microphone, and a hot shoe mount plate, which sits in the top of a camera. I don't even, let me grab one. So yeah, that will sit in the hot shoe of your camera, like that. And you tighten that up. And as you can see, the receiver hot shoe is magnetic as well, so your receiver just sits on top of the camera like that. Super simple. And then you've got a touchscreen on one side, that's touchscreen on that side, and then your charging and TRS inputs on that side as well. And here you've got a phone holder with a 3/4 inch thread and a cold shoe mount on the top of it. There's some other stuff in here. So you've got 4 magnets, 2 clips for the microphones. So I'm guessing if you pop a microphone on there, yeah, that's magnetic. And that's actually quite strong. So you could just clip it on your t-shirt like that. Or I'm guessing if you didn't want to clip it, you should be able to, under your top, yeah, just connect the magnet like that. Super simple, really easy to connect and attach to clothing. It gives you options, I guess. You got a TRS cable there and a USB-C charging cable in here, and some, are they screen protectors? Yeah, I think they're screen protectors for the microphones, and a screen protector for the touchscreen on the receiver. And we've also got 2 wind shields, which people are obviously going to compare these to the Rode Wireless Go microphone systems, understandably. And yeah, I mean, it's a similar kind of setup, but I really didn't like the wireless mic, the Wireless Go, because it just, to me, with that little, with the wind shield on it, put it in, and twist it. Okay. So yeah, I think when you've got that on your shirt, I just think it looks a bit silly. Obviously, it helps with the sound quality, but I just don't like that look with the windshield. So yeah, we've got 2 of those in there as well. Really nicely made. I'm looking forward to powering this on and having a proper play with the set. What do you think? Looks cool, right? I like the design. I love the case. It's a really neat package that Saramonic has put together here. So I'm hoping the sound quality and performance match the presentation. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments, please put them in the section below. If there's anything in particular you want me to test out, then let me know and I'll try and incorporate that into my review as well. But in the meantime, I'll see you guys in another video. Thanks for watching.